Good morning, traders. Steve Gans here, and I wanted to share a paper trade, a concept trade with you, something that kind of illustrates the type of thing that I tend to look for many times in a trade, specifically in this case in an iron condor. So what's really interesting here is I found this 1-point wide iron condor in Walmart. I was able to actually get filled on this trade. I wasn't sure if I would or not. But the thing I really like about this is the reward to risk ratio. In this case, this trade has a max loss of $34.50, $35, again, depending upon an ultimate fill someone would get, and then a net credit that I'd be taking in this case of $66. So that's almost a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. This trade expires this Friday on the 6th. So, of course, what I need to have happen in this trade is I need to have Walmart go ahead and stay within a fairly narrow range. Now, let me go ahead and just save this trade here, and I'll share the link to the trade down below. So we'll go ahead and save that trade, and I'll copy that link, share it with everyone. But I also, looking at Walmart, so we're right around that $100 range. What I like about the $100 range is that when you get into this particular range, $100 or those big round numbers many times can be a bit of a battleground. Prices going up, prices going down, but those big numbers, $100, $200, etc., the big round numbers tend to bring attention and tend to bring a little bit of battling, and we can see that happen here previously around the 100 and happened here around the 100, and I suspect it may be happening again here around that $100 range. So again, this is a trade that expires in 3 days, so it's going to decay very rapidly. If I come in here and I look at my theta specifically, let's see here. There is my theta decay. It's going to decay at the rate of $4 a day, but that speeds up the closer we get to expiration. And of course, ultimately, if it stays within this general range, that entire credit amount will decay out of that into my account. Now, this is a very small trade. I'm not looking at trying to manage this or adjust it in any way. Other than in a live trade like this, I would probably take it off if I hit a 25, 30% profit in the next day or two, which is highly possible if this stays in this very tight range. Some people may take it all the way to expiration. The thing you have to recognize if you're taking something to expiration, if I move this out to expiration, look at that dark green line, this T0 line. It gets pretty steep at certain points to where I might have a nice amount of profit in that trade. But if this thing drifts 50 cents one direction or 50 cents the other direction, that profit can disappear in a hurry. So I need to just be aware of that if I am planning on taking this closer to expiration. So anyhow, just wanted to share this general concept trade. Again, look for the link down below. Click that link and it will automatically open up a paper trade for you in OptionStrat. You do not need to have an account. And this will show you what this trade looks like. And then you could come in and play with it and model it however you like. Then just hit that Save Trade button and now you'll have a saved paper trade as well. Take care, everyone. See you later.